is for alligator sliding in the bay. B is for balloon floating high away. C is for cookie, crunchy and sweet. D is for dragon with fire and heat. E is for eagle, soaring through the sky. F is for Firetruck, racing oh so high. G is for giraffe, reaching for the trees. H is for hedgehog, wiggling with ease. I is for igloo, made of sparkling snow. J is for jelly, wobbly and low. K is for kangaroo, jumping with delight. L is for ladybug, spots shining bright. M is for monkey, swinging on a vine. N is for ninja, sneaky and fine. O is for owl, wise and so old. P is for penguin, wearing a coat bowl. Q is for quokka, the world's happiest smile. R is for robot, moving in style. S is for spaceship, zooming past the stars. T is for T-Rex, the king from afar. U is for unicorn, magical and rare. V is for volcano, bubbling with flair. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for X-ray, seeing what can't be. Y is for yo-yo, up and down it plays. Z is for zebra, in the sun it stays. Now we've sung our ABCs, what fun we've had. Remember these letters, it'll make you glad. From A to Z we danced and we rhymed. Learning is exciting and oh so sublime.